The Hetzer, officially known as the Jagdpanzer 38T, was one of the most effective German tank destroyers used during World War II. It was based on the chassis of the Panzer 38T, making it a relatively light and mobile vehicle, ideal for anti-tank defense. Despite its small size, the Hetzer was equipped with a powerful POC 39L48 75mm gun, allowing it to effectively engage enemy tanks, especially in static defense and at short distances. Its low profile and sloped armor plates enhanced its protection, making it a difficult target on the battlefield. By the end of the war, many Hetzer units were destroyed or abandoned by retreating German forces, and their wrecks could be found on battlefields across Europe. Over the following decades, numerous remains of these vehicles were discovered, particularly in areas of intense fighting such as the Eastern Front, Poland, and the former Czech and Slovak territories. These wrecks were often left behind where the Germans attempted to create last defensive lines, abandoned due to a lack of spare parts, fuel, or irreparable damage. The discovery of Hetzer Wrecks, though often in poor condition, has drawn the interest of history enthusiasts and restoration experts who work to restore these tank destroyers to their former glory. Some have been carefully rebuilt and are now on display in museums worldwide. Others, while never fully restored, serve as important relics of war and technological advancement in German armored warfare during the final years of the conflict. Despite its modest size, the Hetzer remains a symbol of Germany's determination to fight on, even in the face of overwhelming numerical and technological superiority. If you want more, let me know in the comments, subscribe, and leave a like. Thank you.